Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel for new video. Melanie Hicks is an adult actor who entered the profession in 2012 after becoming interested in investigating various adult firms, which led her to the adult industry. She is well known as Melanie Hicks, and she has stated that she enjoys her career for reasons other than money. Real name Melanie Hicks, nickname Melanie, profession model, and adult film actress, date of birth the 22nd of March 1987. Place of birth Fort Lauderdale, Florida, United States of America. Gender female, hometown Fort Lauderdale, Florida, United States of America. Nationality American, hobbies traveling and photoshoots. Net worth $1 million and $3 million, USD, estimated. Ethnicity white, star sign Aries, father name Mr. Hicks. Mother name Mrs. Hicks, marital status unmarried, bra size 34D, height 5 feet 4 in, 163 centimeters, weight 121 pounds, 55 kilograms. Body measurement 34D, 24 to 36, hair color brunette, eye color hazel, skin color fair, body size average, shoe size 7, US, 36, EU, 4.7, UK. Educational qualifications school, a local school in Florida, United States of America. University, college, the University of Florida, USA. Educational qualification graduated. We now have inadequate information on her early life and personal details because she has done an excellent job of keeping them private. Melanie developed her official website in November 2018, from where she now publishes her material and engages with her followers across many social media channels. Melanie Hicks was born on March 22, 1987, in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, United States of America. Melanie Hicks was 35 years old in March 2022. Melanie Hicks was born under the sign of Aries. Melanie Hicks's earnings will be reviewed in 2022. It is a rough estimate of Melanie Hicks's net worth, which might range between $1 million and $3 million, USD. Come on in, take a look and enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more new videos by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.